Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram "something went wrong" error. First, check if Instagram is experiencing a server outage. Sometimes the problem is not on your device. Visit websites like Down Detector and see if there are reports from other users. If you notice a large spike in outage reports, Instagram servers may be having issues. In that case, you will need to wait until Instagram fixes the problem, which can take a few hours. If there is no server issue, check your internet connection. A weak or restricted connection can prevent Instagram from loading content or connecting to its servers. Turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it off again. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the issue. For Android users, open Settings and go to Apps. Find Instagram and tap on it. Open Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If the error still appears, tap Clear Data as well. This will reset the app and can resolve many temporary issues. For iPhone users, there is no option to clear the app cache directly. Instead, uninstall the app. Then open the App Store, download Instagram again. After completing these steps, open Instagram and check if the error has been resolved. Thanks for watching.